Hi guys, I've been using a doll that I had. She was a pen pal Barbie that I turned into like a rock and roll look. I had put some perm rods in her head and I put it in boiling hot water and gave her a crazy look, and then I used the Scary Spice, one of the Scary Spice extra outfits, and I used it so I want a different look for her. So I don't know if I'm gonna straighten out her hair. I want to give her a whole makeover. So this is how she looks. Let me know what you think about her. And I'll be going step by step how we're going to give this beautiful Barbie a new look. For styling, I'm going to use heat protected, a comb, a brush, and a flat iron. Just a baby small flat iron. Not nothing big, and it has a really low heating and it has no setting, so I know it'd be great for Barbie doll hair. Now I sectioned the hair in two portions. I put the rest of it in a ponytail and I section the front, and I'm going to flat on this front piece, and then I'm going to cut a bang and be back. Oh no! My bang! My bang! Much better! Okay, I used a piece of cut up bandana for her dress, and I have some silver shoes already. I'm going to make this is like chrome silver tape, duct tape. I'm going to make a belt, and I'm using the glue gun to make the dress. Be back. Ta-da! All done. All done. Okay, for her hair, I cut her bang and flat on it. For the dress, I took a piece of bandana, an old piece of bandana, and made a belt and a purse out of chrome tape. And for her shoes, I've been had a collection of Barbie doll shoes, and I said, oh, this goes excellent with the outfit. She already had the ring, and she already had her earrings on. So I hope you guys like the finishing result of this. And I'll be back with the next one. Can you give me some recommendations in the comments below? What kind of outfit or what kind of styling would you like me to see on the next doll? And what kind of doll would you like me to do a makeover on? Do you want me to do a hair weave makeover, a wig makeover, an evening gown, or sportswear? Just let me know in the comments below. I love redecorating Barbie dolls and giving them makeovers. It's your girl Lola, and I will be back. Bye.